So, welcome to the Tower Update. We're shooting in a new location because we decided to shoot on a day when we also have class that we're preparing for, and we don't have time to reset where we normally shoot. So we thought, let's give this a try. And I mean, Mike will decide, but I kind of like this more. Welcome to 2025. It's January, the first Tower Update of the year. And primarily what I wanted to say from this video is thank you. So 2025 had several very large, unexpected expenses. The septic tank, there was a well problem, there was multiple air conditioning units that needed to be replaced. We went through a whole lot of 2024 going, oh man, what are we gonna do? And you guys showed up and took classes and things like that, and that's always what saves us. But even more, we did some very aggressive and serious fundraising in 2024, and you stepped up. So this is for all of you who donated at any level, from building visitor center and six-figure donations for septic and well rebuilding, all the way to those who bought a $20 poop coin or a $20 mug from Wizard Academy when you were here visiting for class. Thank you. It is because of donors, the generosity of donors to Wizard Academy, that we are able to do what we do every year and hold the classes that we hold and teach what we teach and offer videos like this. So thank you. Now, what are we doing coming up? Hey, it's time for New Year's things. So we made it through Christmas and the holidays. We're beginning a new year. Here's the classes that are coming up. Next week, it may be too soon for you to make it, but if you could pull it off, Saturday the 18th, we are doing the Compass Box fundraiser. I talked about that before. It was a donation from Nathan Huey allowed us to hold a tasting event of 8 bottles of the rarest old Compass Box that we could get our hands on, which is one of the great blending companies of Scottish whiskey. It's $1,000, and you can stay on campus that night, and you're going to join us on that Saturday for an evening where we are going to be guided through all of those bottles by a rep from Compass Box, and then we're going to hang out and have dinner and spend some time in the vault. So come join us to that one, Saturday the 18th. Following week on the 21st and 22nd is Roy's Unstructured Adventure. This is where Roy spends 2 days sort of digging into what's currently driving him and inspiring him and waking up his curiosity right now. And that class is highly guided by who is in the room and what questions they ask. So if you've ever wanted to be in the room and just hang out with Roy and learn some things and then maybe be able to ask some questions and guide a conversation, this is that class. That's January 21st and 22nd. I'm going to go ahead and talk about February because February is not that far away already. So Magical Worlds, the cornerstone class that built everything we do at Wizard Academy, is February 11th, 12th, and 13th. This is it. If you've not taken the cornerstone class that built Wizard Academy, you absolutely need to. This is the next one we do, typically 3 a year. This will be the first one. And the following week, we are repeating Jeffrey Eisenberg's numbers class. Now, the title of it is Why We Avoid Numbers, and it's very long. But the point of it is, so often as a business owner, or just as a human, you tend to sort of avoid the things you don't understand and just try to get along without them instead of stopping and trying to get a handle on it. And Jeffrey designed a 2-day class where he shows you here's how to understand how these things work, and here's how to measure them so that you can improve the base standards of functionality and finances and growth and business development in your business. You don't need to worry about being an accountant or being a bookkeeper or being a forecaster. They're fundamental building blocks of measuring how your company is growing and if it's heading in the right direction. We already held this last year. Everybody loved it, and several people who couldn't make it asked us to hold it again. So here it is. That's February 18th and 19th. Now, it felt right. It's January to show you something that sort of may line up with, New Year's resolutions. Did you remember that on campus, we have a gym because I'm going to show it to you. Maybe even do some small workouts. Look, it's the gym. Let's go in and take a look around. If you're not sure, it's right here behind the Welcome Center. Plug in the code. And hey, we got ourselves a gym with a great view. Hey, this is me because I'm gonna use this gym right now, and it was a good excuse to shoot it. So you can see the view right there, look at that. Now it's currently 36 degrees. There's no heat or air conditioning in this gym, but the view is amazing. Check it out. So you get the code to this in your email when you are here for class. These are the names. We've got names of people who sponsored funding this gym. And hey, I'll just use this as my selfie camera. Good luck. I'm gonna see if I can make use of some of these things. And I'm back. Obviously, I benefited from that really hardcore workout, as you can tell, because I look so much better now. And I'm celebrating with a whiskey, because that's how you successfully finish a workout. So here's to the new year. I hope I see you in class very soon. And otherwise, I will see you in the next Tower update. And as I used to say, may your crazy stay this side of legal, and may you return before we have time to miss you. Cheers. Are you looking at me? Are you looking at me? Are you looking at me? Are you talking to me? Are you talking to me? Just practicing. You're really short. I thought I was short.